everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Chanel unboxing in this giant bag, and you can probably guess if you watch my videos that because I'm standing today, it is a ready-to-wear unboxing. There's two pieces in here, which I'm really excited to share with you. I've been waiting for these for a really long time. But before I dive into the unboxing, I just want to say if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, please hit the subscribe button down below. It doesn't cost you anything. It really helps me out, just like with YouTube and getting my videos promoted, and it's just more fun for me if more people are watching my videos. And so please do that. It would mean a lot to me. So now, I guess without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. This is from the Chanel Fall Winter Collection. The season code is K. So for the year 2024, K. So we'll say 24K on the tags of everything. And this was the runway that kind of was like an ode to Deauville. And so it's like a beachy, oceany collection, but wintry. So it's like cold beach. The runway was like the boardwalks near Deauville. And if you know the history of Chanel, you'll know that she started making hats and clothing while living in Deauville. And so there's just a rich Chanel history there. This is one of the items. I bought the full look. I was actually wearing it yesterday. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen what I got because sometimes I just can't wait to share it. But anyway, I'm not wearing the full look today, but we could still try it on. So the first item, oh my gosh. The first item, oh my gosh, you can already see it. I am beyond thrilled. And it's another one of these long garment bags, which are kind of hard to finagle. I need to start asking for the shorter ones because these ones really, it doesn't seem like it should be that much hard to handle, but it really is. Okay. Here is the most, oh my gosh, stunning lambskin leather shearling jacket. Let me come up close so you can see all the details. So there's these gorgeous hammered gold buttons. It is completely shearling. So it is just like not one piece of leather, but it's literally just lambskin leather. There's 4 pockets. It's straight cut. I took this in a size 48, I want to say. Yeah, 48. Okay, let me do the work of unbuttoning it. The construction on this is just divine. And the lambskin, the shearling itself, divine. Divoon. Oh my gosh, as I like dump it on the floor. Okay, let's go back up. Go back up. So you see it's this like beautiful lambskin shearling, untreated. So it's going to develop like a patina over time. It will get little scratches, it will get little stains, but it will just develop into a really rich, beautiful color. If you've seen real shearling jackets that are like vintage, you know, they kind of develop a color over time. I think that's part of the beauty. And then it is just this rich, fluffy interior. Here is the tag details. So you can see it's size 48 from 24K. This was pricey. This was, but once in a lifetime. You know what I mean? Like buy now, wear forever. So let me model it for you. Oh my God. The tag. Okay. It is like just, and our fashion buyer always picks the perfect size for me. I feel like this is awesome because there's still room for me to wear a sweater under if I wanted, but it's not so big that it looks weird over jeans and a t-shirt. And as you know, to complete the look, like I die. It's literally such a good pairing. This is slightly different. Here, I'll show you. This, I don't know if this is lambskin or calfskin, but it's like treated. You could see there's like a coating, whereas this is untreated. This is more like, more raw, more natural. This is colored more. So I feel like this is really high quality lambskin because, right, if you color it all brown, it could kind of look like anything under there, kind of treat it. But completely untreated like this, like you have to have really premium leather to be doing that. But hold on, there's a second part to this unboxing, and it's in here. I think these are my receipts. Need those. So here's the little camellia flower we all know and love. It just like doesn't get old. Ugh. In love. To reveal tissue paper. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna do this? Inside. Oh my gosh, more tissue paper. What could that be? It is a little cap, like a newsboy cap. Okay, wait, where is everything going? Ah! Okay. This goes down here. Oh wait, my tag for my repair. Get that. Ah, and the ribbon. Help! Okay. This is gonna go in my purse. The receipt's gonna go in my purse. Tissue paper's gonna go in the box. So let's take a look at this tweed up close. It is a black, shimmery tweed. It's so pretty. It's wool, cotton, polyester, silk, 100% silk lined. The polyester is like the glittery sparkle you see in there. There's a tiny little black CC charm here. And then here's the tag. I got it in a size large. We have a big head. 24K, there you go. So let me show you the full vibe. I mean, oh, with the bag, hold on. Hold on. There we go. She's going places. She's doing things. She's living her life. When I was in, so this is my second kind of like page boy, newsboy cap from Chanel. I got a pink tweed one from 24P. And when I went to Paris, oh my God, it was so useful because actually it was like quite cold. We went in March, and where it's actually cold, like this is like gonna sound remedial to people who live in real weather. I live like in California, so it's like fake weather. If you live in real weather, a hat is actually very functional for keeping warm. Is that remedial? But that was my realization. Like when traveling, I'm like, oh my gosh, should bring a hat because it actually serves like a really important purpose for staying warm. And this jacket, I mean, like honestly, in California, like all year round, we will kind of do like a alfresco dining literally year round, or like wine tasting literally year round. And so I feel like this will be really good for that, especially like evenings, chilly evenings. So that's it buttoned partially. Finish buttoning it. I don't think I would really wear it buttoned unless I was like freezing cold. I like it better opened, but it does work. So there you go. That is the unboxing. She knows. Allergies, fall allergies. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think? I'm like so in love. I'm like, get ready to see me in this literally all the time. You know, it also looks great with gold. Looks great with black. Looks great like with everything. It's just like the most perfect neutral color. Super warm, but like very lightweight. Like it's not, you can see it's not like super thick, padded, but just like a little comfy cozy. Ugh, I'm in love. Anyway, that was the unboxing for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think I have one more thing coming from Kay, thank goodness, because this whole birthday month, fall season has been a little intense. I think gotta like, ooh, you know, tap the brakes. But cruise, I went really light on cruise, honestly. I feel good about my buy. Honestly, the more pictures I see of cruise coming out, the more I'm like, wow, that looks really good. And it's also Virginie's last collection. So I do feel some type of way about it, but I went really light for cruise. I went even lighter for spring summer. To be honest, I only ordered one piece. I know, but I'm like, I feel like I have a really good baseline now of like key items. And so now I'm more like looking to fill the gaps in my wardrobe than like building up a solid foundation. So kind of like with bags, I'm just gonna try and be really more specific about the things that come in and also be specific about things leaving as things come in. So maybe I should look at, actually, you know what I should probably move on from now that I have this, is I should probably move on from my quilted Burberry jacket. That's a really good point. That's a really good point that I just made to myself. But you know, like, I haven't worn my Burberry quilted jacket, honestly, in like 3 years. And part of it is because it didn't really fit me the way I wanted it to fit last year. But also part of it is like, I feel like the hype on those kind of dying down. And I think if I have this and like my tweed coats, am I really going to be wearing that quilted Burberry coat? I don't think so. So there you go. There's one swap, one in, one out, done. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, please go away. And otherwise, I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye guys.